In today's video, we're going to be looking at the screen protector for the all-new Nintendo Switch 2. This is a 3-pack by the company AACL, which ended up sending me one of these for my honest review and testing. So let's check a little bit of the features of this screen protector. So it has anti-water, fully rounded edges, anti-dust layer, delicate touch, anti-shatter, and the easy application. Alright, let's end up unboxing this. Alright, so we have 4 wet wipes, we have some dust removers, little cloth, and then we also have a nice tool. This is going to be used for bubbles if we do have any. Then we also have, I'm not sure what this is for, we'll put that on the side. Then we have instruction here, and then we have a little alignment tool, which is really important. And then we have one screen protector already inside, and then we have 2 more here. Now this should be pretty straightforward installation, so let's start with cleaning this. So we're gonna need 1 wet wipe, we're gonna need this cloth, and then we're gonna need the dust removal sticker. So we'll take those 3, put the rest inside. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is clean the screen. So we're gonna use this wet wipe. Make sure you get all the corners as well. After we finish with that, take this. I'm gonna dry it real good. All right, next take the dust absorber sticker. Then you're gonna try covering every inch of the screen. Peel on, peel off. Remove the Joy-Cons. Now we're gonna place this make sure it is on there. We're gonna hold it here, and then we're gonna start removing this. Make sure you hold that as you're peeling this off. All right, now that we have that, we're gonna peel this part off. And now, you're just gonna press and slide. Try to apply pressure as much as you can. So we're gonna go kind of do the corners. I do see one bubble here. Let's see if we can push it off. Don't be afraid to put some pressure. You can just do it with the fingers first. All right, now let's remove this part. And now, and yes, we still have a couple bubbles, but that's okay. We're gonna remove them. All right, now get the tool that came inside, and what you want to do is, see how there's 2 bubbles. So what you want to do is, you're going to apply some pressure and just push it to the edge. And as I did that one, the other one actually disappeared. And just like that, 0 bubbles, not even 1 speck. And finally, just give it a little clean. Sensitivity and the function does remain the same, and that's exactly what you want out of the screen protector. And here is another view up close with the screen on. My first impression is extremely positive. This is an excellent choice for gamers who want peace of mind, insurance for their new console. Because it comes with 3 protectors, you have backups if one ever cracks, or if you make a mistake during the first installation. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.